Hey y'all, it's Alexis back with another video. So today we're doing I believe this is a 5-month update on this hair. I believe I got it in May, early May, and it's September 4th. That's the craziest thing in the world. It's September 4th. This year is literally flying by. So my hair is freshly washed, blow dried. I did flat iron it this morning, but I was being a little lazy, so I kind of laid on it. So now I got to do everything over. So if this is something you would enjoy watching, let's get right into it.
Check my technique. Coming from my technique.
This is the hair. Already did my baby hairs. Ooh, ooh. Some of these elastic straps, they be tight. Tight as I don't know what, for no reason. So first, what I'm gonna do, y'all see, like, it's giving. So y'all just don't sleep on no Amazon wig. Cause I promise you, like some of them, yeah, you getting more than your money's worth. I don't know why I ain't got a mirror up here. Okay. So I'm going to part my hair into sections. I had a hair bow there though. Part it into sections. Start right here. Let's do a 5-month Amazon wig update. So I received this wig back in May and it's now September. I've installed this wig pretty much 6 times. Like at this point it's 6 times. So let's go over the specs. This is a 13x6 frontal wig. That means that it's ear to ear, which also means that you can do a deep side part. The knots come bleached. The hairline comes pre-plucked. So it's definitely beginner friendly. Y'all see how luscious this hair is? It's still like giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Like I literally have no products in it. So if this is a wig that you would be interested in purchasing, I'll leave the link in the comments below. 5-month, 6-month, a year updates on Amazon wigs, anything that you've seen me wear, you know, do a styling video for, leave a comment down below. And thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.